We check out a little karaoke bar filled with locals and good beer. We then walk over to a club that is absolutely popping. Enough so, even for a fight to ensue and an aggressive female to be left on the freezing snow-covered road face down by security. But after cruising through the dance floor, we find something that sounded absolutely perfect in this very moment. Our appetites are humongous after all the night's alcohol, and our savior is a street vendor cooking up loaded tacos as the snow falls around us. It was a magical moment.